Hi, I'm Kelly. I clean crime scenes and hoarder homes for a living. Come and watch me transform this mess using some of my favourite Shark products, solving one case at a time. Look at that. Let's tackle some kitchen crimes. Whether it's a coffee or some other untouchable spill, we MessMaster it. It sucks up both the liquid and the smash cup. Wet or dry messes disappear in seconds. So satisfying. We've got a code red. Wind down. No drama. The MessMaster vacuums the Un-Vacuumable. And as for sauces or other liquids, keep your squeegee on and watch this. Look at the mess disappear with no loss of suction. Ready for the best part? You can keep the mess contained by using any bag, or if you prefer, no bag. Simply empty into the bin after use. Then pop the dust cup into the dishwasher. So easy, it's a crime. Look at that messy living room. Let's go. When I'm cleaning hoarder homes, I start by clearing the biggest items first. Now, let's get rid of the evidence. Did you know most vacuums only pull in dust and debris when pushed forward? Not the Shark PowerDetect, which also sucks in reverse. Then, let it do the dirty work for you with its auto-empty dock that charges and empties your vacuum after every clean. Now for those other living room crimes like muddy footprints. I'm going to go in with the steam and scrub mop. What I love about this is it cleans with a bit of water. Zero chemicals. It scrubs and sanitizes on the spot, using the power of steam to eliminate the evidence. The removal pads are so easy to clean, just pop them in the washing machine after use. Messy living room completed, case closed. Next case, dirty bathroom. Let's get into it. Start by picking up anything dirty, like damp towels, and organise all of your toiletries. Next, it's time to take on the clogged sink. If you hate removing hair from the sink, the MessMaster can help. Use the hose and let it do the dirty work for you. Look at that! It's enough to make your stomach turn, but so satisfying. Next culprit is the dirty floor. What I love about this product is that it vacuums and mops at the same time. It also has a self-cleaning brush roll, so it starts clean and ends clean. What's not to love? Mission accomplished. The biggest culprits of messy bedrooms? Kids. Let's get into it. If your kid's room resembles a hoarder home, start by packing away items like clothes, toys and books. If you have children or pets at home, the Shark StainStriker is a must-have. This weapon of a spot cleaner is so easy to use. Whether it's fresh or old stains, simply follow the instructions on the handle to scrub, spray and extract. Kids guilty of leaving their dirty shoes on your furniture? The StainStriker has killer cleaning power, great for refreshing upholstery. Stains tackled, time to deal with the floor. The PowerDetect vacuum features Edge Detect, which boosts suction around edges and corners. And you can get rid of the monsters under the bed. Yep, the wand flexes, so you can save your back. Now the best part. Most vacuums only clean moving forward, but not the PowerDetect. It tackles dust and debris in reverse too, halving your time cleaning. It also auto-empties, locking away allergens and debris. Bedroom transformation, done. Thanks for watching me clean. Subscribe to Shark for more home cleaning tips.